So I fell into another rabbit hole, and this time it was the rocket stove idea that caught me. I've been watching Justin Boss's 2 videos on his rocket stove builds, and that got me really inspired to make my own. And I really like this design that you will see me use in this video. And this is the general idea. A vertical section that will be sealed in the bottom, and that's where the burn will take place. The fire will rise straight up through the cross. That will be how my fry pan sits. On one side it will have a small air intake that will also be the ashtray that's in here. On the other side I will have a 45-degree tube that will feed the firewood. So that's from over here. And to prevent the wood and the ashes from blocking the airflow, I will use this removable grate in the bottom that just slides down this way. So for stability I will just add these legs lengthwise. So don't miss the end of this video where I take this rocket out in the forest and see if I can cook a meal on it.
Is it recording?
It's recording.
Like something pretty cool. It is a bit, it really wants to fall over, so these legs are gonna be perfect for that. If I put it so it's like flush with this part here, the ashtray, that should look kind of clean. I don't think it's gonna tip over this way, I don't know, but I hope not. So that looks great. What do you think? That looks pretty cool, right? I'm gonna clean this up and then give it a coat of some hot paint, heat resistant paint, and that's it. It will not fall this way and it will not fall that way, and that's what it looks like. So guys, before I forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this kind of content, you should leave a suggestion in the comment section and maybe consider following my channel. So yeah, good tip. Okay, let's start cleaning this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the rocket stove. It's finally finished. So now we got some good weather, so we are gonna try to cook some burgers out here and see how that goes. If it's hard enough, hopefully it doesn't tip over. But we'll see. So right now I'm just gonna light the fire and then we take it from there. Working good. you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, put them below in the comment section. So, see you in the next one.